I welcome back. Another question of the day. 51. Choose best copy control options for billing document in SAP ECC or S4 HANA. Let's try to break options for this question. So A is update document flow, B update pricing, C billing category, D cancellation of the billing document type, E copy control, F pricing type. All these are the different options available. Let's try to choose the correct answer and try to comment. Okay, so this process continued in my YouTube channel. This is specifically I'm taking on the context of helping you out for your certification preparation, SAP SD or S4 HANA. Okay, so if you're not yet subscribed to get more inputs like this, please subscribe my channel. When it comes to my Udemy forum, currently I'm holding 6,000 plus students and 95% successful videos. And if you look at this, this is my SAP SD course, sales and distribution, with 112 hours. And this is for idoc training. Don't worry about this is nonsense ratings. So try to learn this. I have given my best to explain each and everything. 112 hours, no one cannot gossip with 422 lectures. With full confidence, you can able to choose this course and getting master to write functional specification and real-time idoc training. These are the two courses I specifically recommend everyone, each and every functional consultant who look out for future. And these are the courses from pricing. Like that, I have different courses at my end. I'm just providing these links below of this video. If you really like it, you can like this video and you can subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. Jai Bharat. Have a great day.